Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy to remove tiny skin tag, mole and wax. You know, these things are actually things that disturb we ladies. We don't want nothing to disturb the beautiful skin. We want to slay, look beautiful, look sharp and all of that. So before we go into the video, do not forget to turn on the post notification and click all, subscribe here, thumbs up here and share, and let's go. Okay guys, so to remove those tiny skin tag, you're gonna be needing this, and this is apple, guys. Now how you're gonna be doing this is amazing and very unique. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Since I have just a little of this and I need just a little piece of the garlic, so I'm gonna be taking just this. Okay, and then I would have to cut it in pieces. Okay, so let's transfer that into a blender. So we're equally going to be needing garlic. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you two steps in which you're going to be removing those tiny skin tag, you know, using some natural, very simple remedy. Okay, so we're going to be needing garlic, and I'm going to be taking just few cloves of garlic, and then we're going to be peeling it up, basically. So watch out for the second step, okay? In case you can't actually do this particular one, then you can also try the second one that I'm gonna be showing you, okay? In case you cannot have all of the ingredients for this particular one, then I'm sure you're going to be having the ingredients for the second one. So after this, then we're going to blend it without putting water. So we're going to try our best to blend this, okay, without water, so that it will be very effective. Okay, since it's actually very small, it might not really blend very smooth like that, okay, but it has actually blended just a little. Now however you can, you know, blend this to be very smooth, and you do that. Okay, so this is garlic and apple. Okay, so this is what you're going to do in this particular one, guys. I just want to make sure that it is actually smooth, since I have a small mortar. I'm not going to take too much. So I just want it to be very smooth, okay? Since my blender can't do that for me, I have another option, and the option is this. So this is it. Okay, so what you do now is that we're going to wrap. There's a clipping. We're either going to use a clipping or you're going to use a nylon, and then you're going to wrap this thing up like this. Okay, and then when you wrap it up, you're actually going to keep it till the next day while being wrapped. Now what is going to happen is that it's going to ferment, and when it ferments, it's going to be triple active. Okay, now the garlic and the apple is going to ferment, and when you open it, you're going to feel the smell, okay, in your nose when it has actually fermented. So when it has actually fermented, then you can actually take this, you know, like this, just a little, and then you apply it onto your skin tag area. If you can even keep it for 2 days, fine. It's going to be more effective, and it would actually fall off any skin tag whatsoever, like, trust me. Okay, so you do this literally. Just like that. Okay, so you apply it onto your tiny skin tag just like this, and it's going to really help the skin tag go. Now when you want to store it, you can actually still wrap it up like this, and then you store it. Okay, it's going to be very effective. The more it stays, the more it's going to be really strong. Okay, and then you apply it on your skin tag or on those affected area for 3 days only, and trust me, all of the skin tag will be gone. It would fall off, and your skin would go back to its smoothness and skin tag less. So the second ingredient is this, and this is turmeric. Now turmeric is an amazing ingredient that helps the skin really glow. Okay, it's a spice. Now this is what we're going to do basically. Okay, so we're going to be, you're going to take like 1 teaspoon. Make sure that you take enough turmeric for this. Okay, enough turmeric for this, and then you're going to be needing banana. Okay, so what you're going to be needing in this banana is the peel basically. Okay, so you're going to peel this, and then you're going to, now the peel of this banana is actually very effective when it comes to skin tag, because it's actually going to, you know, help to remove all of the skin tag. So that's how you're going to just, you know, do it, and then remove the peel. So after that, then you have to get the banana peel, mash it, let it be very smooth. Okay, so after which you've mash it to be smooth, then you can actually turn it into the banana peel itself. Yeah, so this is it. So the next thing you're going to put just a little in this is you're going to be putting just a little bit of apple cider, and you have to put apple cider that actually contains the mother in it, okay, and a natural one. Okay, organic apple cider vinegar is very, very effective. And then when you put it in, then you would have to mix it. Now again, you don't have to use this just immediately you mix it up. Now you can wrap it up, you know, and keep it for some hours. Wrap it up, do not allow hair to get into it, and then you keep it for some hours, and then the color is going to change to a darker yellow, I guess. Yeah, okay, this is yellow. Yeah, okay, the color is going to change to it's going to get darker. Now when it gets darker, that's when you know it is actually okay to use. Now what you do is that you grab this just like that, and then you apply it onto your skin tag area. You do not even need to use any support with this, okay, except you are sleeping. That's actually when you'll be needing support, like using a plaster, okay, over it. All right. So use it this way, and you see when you do it this way, you mash it around, it's not going to fall no matter what, except you're going to sleep with it, and that's when it's going to, you know, fall off when you're sleeping with it, like when you sleep till the following day. When you want to sleep till the following day with this treatment, you have to use a plaster and hold it, let it be firm onto the skin tag, yeah, so that it gently, you know, remove the life out of that skin tag, remove, suck out the blood, and then it would actually go, it will actually fall off and die literally, okay? So you have to repeat this at least 3 days, because I know the very first day you're going to apply this is going to make the skin tag look darker than it was. Now if you have a plenty skin tag that you can't even put it this way, and you can just spread this onto your skin just like this. Spread it onto those places and cover all of the skin tag. Okay guys, so that's it, and do this for 3 days and all of your skin tag will be gone, and you're literally going to actually be enjoying your skin again. Okay guys, so either of these ones you can actually choose and use it on your skin, and it's going to be super duper amazing, and it works like magic. All right, so that's it. If you do love the video, thumbs up here, subscribe here, and turn on your post notification here and click all, and also don't forget to share it somewhere here, okay? And I'll see you again. Bye guys.